Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we'll fix Fortnite PS5 lag and frame drops. Make sure your PS5 is powered off before starting any troubleshooting. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the socket carefully. Remove the PS5 HDMI cable from the console. Disconnect all controllers from the PS5 for a fresh start. Check the PS5 console's ventilation ports for dust or obstruction. Gently blow air into the PS5 ports to remove dust buildup. Use a soft brush to clean the PS5 around the fan intake. Ensure the PS5 is placed on a flat, hard surface with room to breathe. Reconnect the PS5 HDMI cable to a reliable port on your TV. Plug the PS5 power cable securely back into the socket. Press the PS5 power button to turn the console on. Check the PS5 indicator light to confirm it is powering up normally. Navigate to PS5 settings using the controller. Go to storage settings on your PS5 and check free space. Delete unnecessary Fortnite PS5 cache or unused game files. Go to system software and ensure your PS5 is up to date. Update Fortnite on your PS5 to the latest version. Restart the PS5 after any system or game update. Check the PS5 internet connection by running a speed test. Reboot your Wi-Fi router and reconnect the PS5. Switch the PS5 to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Go to PS5 network settings and set DNS to automatic. Clear the PS5 cache by fully powering off and unplugging for 2 minutes. Turn the PS5 back on after cache clearing. Enter PS5 safe mode by holding the power button for 7 seconds. Connect the PS5 controller via USB while in safe mode. Select Rebuild Database on the PS5 safe mode menu. Wait patiently as the PS5 scans and reorganizes game data. Once complete, restart the PS5 normally. Open Fortnite on your PS5 and check frame rates. Adjust Fortnite PS5 graphics settings to medium or low if lag persists. Turn off background downloads on your PS5 to free up resources. Close all other PS5 apps running in the background. Check the PS5 internal storage for overheating by touch. Move the PS5 to a cooler, ventilated location if needed. Reconnect your PS5 controller wirelessly and test inputs. Enable performance mode in Fortnite on your PS5 settings. Lower Fortnite resolution settings for smoother PS5 gameplay. Disable unnecessary PS5 notifications while gaming. Restart the PS5 one more time to confirm fixes. Test Fortnite on PS5 in both solo and multiplayer modes. Monitor PS5 performance for any frame drops during gameplay. Adjust Fortnite settings on PS5 gradually if minor lag remains. Keep your PS5 firmware regularly updated to avoid future lag. Use proper ventilation around the PS5 to maintain optimal performance. Avoid long PS5 sessions without breaks to reduce thermal throttling. Confirm Fortnite PS5 performance is now smooth and stable. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more PS5 Fortnite and game fixes. Thanks for watching this PS5 Fortnite lag fix. Enjoy lag-free gaming.